So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but that's why I'm back with another hairstyle video. So in today's video, as you can see, I'll be showing you how to make a more of a natural looking ponytail hairstyle. But I tried making it look more natural by using less gel, but I ended up using more gel. But if you stay tuned, you'll see what I'll be talking about. So for this hairstyle, I'll be using this kind of ponytail. So this one has the combs that you can just slide into your hair, and then with this you can tighten it up. So I'll be using my Got2b glue spray, and I'll be using Echo hair styling gel. I'm just gonna use a bit of the Echo styling gel, and I'll use my brush. So I'll be continuing this process on the other side of my head. Alright, so I ended up using a lot more gel than I wanted to. So I'm just gonna use a satin scarf to tie up the front of my hair while I try and fix the ponytail. Now it's time for ponytail. So this is the top, this is the bottom. So I just basically slide the top bit first. That's what it looks like. The ponytail is quite high. Right, after I've done that, I just take the strand of the hair and I'll just wrap that around. in it. And use the second one to secure it. But if you like really want it to be secure, the hair that you wrap around, you can just use like your got2b glue spray or some other strong hairspray so that it will stay in place. And I'll just use a little bit of mousse on the hair, a little bit, just a bit, because the hair tends to fly around all over, so just to keep it in place. So a simple hair look, if you just want this maybe for 1 or 2 days and then you just wash it out. This is the final look. So this is the end of today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also be sure to share this video with your family and friends. And I will see you in the next video.